Hello, my name is Harry Hayden, and I'm the owner of Blades of Glory. Our amazing Ancient Civilizations theme park has been open since 2003. Students love it because it is exciting, teachers love it because it's educational, and chaperones love it because the students are engaged. Our 8 educational 15-minute sections are based on attention span. Our sections are interactive, appealing to all learning styles. Ancient music, First Nations hoop dance, Viking runes, crime and punishment, ancient armor, ancient weapons and our working trebuchet, excavation site, reptiles and what civilizations worship them, Egyptian mummification process. After lunch, 2 teachers are chosen to be monarchs. Then our 6 ancient warriors take part in a tournament to determine the champion of the realm. At the end of the day, students are supplied with souvenir pamphlets where they can get autographs of all the performers. So bring your students to the best school trip ever that they will remember forever.